Pop her off, big nuts.
Tell me when you're ready.
Yeah.
Did I hear it, yeah?
Yeah!
What is Mike up to now? Mike, what are you up to now? I don't know. What are you up to? Oh, don't scare me like that. Hey, remember that meat place that I did that at the boys? We put that scissors lift, new hydraulic pump on there. Pump on there? Pump on there. Okay, so when the scissors lift is fully loaded, like with meat, it's a 20-foot long table. It's huge, and right when it wants to get off the hop right off the bottom, it just don't. And we don't want to turn the pressure up because the cylinder can only stand so much pressure, and if we turn it up, cylinder might blow up, and you know that's a liability. Blah 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 blah. So the boys were down there trying to adjust it the other day, and we can't go any higher on the pressure. And so what we come up with was, hey, we're not going to let the table go down as low as it is, and they guesstimated with a tape measure that 5 inches is the key. So there is stoppers underneath. Well, how do you like that? I lost footage. I started to explain where there's the 5-inch thing, and then I guess GoPro Hero 8 is subject to lockups too, or whatever. Anyway, so what I was explaining there is those, and I'm all done. You'll see this here, but what I was explaining is that table does not want to get up off of its stationary mounts. There's 4 of them. These 4. They're cool now. There's 4 like this around the table that the table sits on. And when they load that thing full of groceries, you know, beef jerky and all of their stainless steel stuff or whatever, it has a hard time because that cylinder is in its worst position to go and get that scissors to go up. So what they determined, because the cylinder is only rated for 2500 psi, we have determined to add, these are like extensions, so the table does not come down all the way to that position, so then it doesn't have to get up off of there. So that's what I'm doing, and that's what I did, and that's what I was trying to explain when the camera went. So at any rate, I just used tubing, 5 inches, and you'll see the rest from here. That's all it is. If we had a higher pressure cylinder, we could pump up the pump, turn up the pressure on the pump, but you know, it is below right where people's feet are too. If that thing that's got cast iron, it's not an expensive cylinder. If it was dynamite, somebody's legs would be go. So we can't have that. So we're just gonna go with the old-fashioned, hey, let's not put it on all the way. And actually it works out good because for his production, if it goes all the way to the floor, it's too low, so it just worked out. It was a happy thing for everybody. So continue watching. Sorry, it's just I had to come back in here into the video and put some more information in for you folks. So that's it. Keep on watching. Here we go again. You know, the trick to that is doing that without burning this edge off. Perfectly flat, not rolling the edge. Like here, this is the first one I tacked. You can see it. I was too far over and I rolled the edge. So now I gotta do the last one. Hope you get something out of that, okay? Alright, thanks guys. And there you go, folks. Just like nesting, what do they call them? Russian dolls? It's just gonna sit over and they're weigh about, I don't know, 3 pounds. That's why I went with the heavier angle. So once they're sitting over that thing on the table, they ain't gonna come off. It's good enough. See how I like them tomorrow. And that's that. Done with that project. See you, bye.